Stop by and take a look at the 2025 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.